Hello dear viewers, welcome back to my channel for another exciting video. The American frontier, a vast expanse of untamed wilderness, beckoned to adventurous souls seeking a new life. However, the journey westward was fraught with challenges, and survival often depended on the ability to adapt and resourcefully find sustenance. Today, we embark on a culinary journey through time, exploring the diverse diets of American pioneers who braved the frontier and shaped the nation's gastronomical identity. Before starting the video, do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet and hit that bell icon to receive every video notification. Imagine yourself standing atop a rugged mountain ridge, the wind whipping through your hair as you gaze upon the seemingly endless expanse of the American frontier. Rolling hills, dense forests, and meandering rivers stretch out before you, a landscape teeming with life, but also posing formidable obstacles for those seeking to survive. Amidst the harsh realities of the frontier, pioneers established their homes, carved out farms, and faced the daily struggle for survival. Food was a constant concern, and their diets were shaped by the availability of resources, their ingenuity, and the cultural traditions they carried with them from their homelands. The staple foods of American pioneers were simple yet nourishing, reflecting the limitations of their environment. Corn, a versatile crop that thrived in the frontier's fertile soil, became a cornerstone of their diet. They consumed it in various forms, from roasted ears to cornmeal mush and bread. Wild game, such as deer, bison, and rabbits, provided a vital source of protein. Pioneers hunted whenever possible, utilizing the skills and techniques passed down through generations. They preserved meat through various methods, including salting, smoking, and drying, ensuring a supply during harsh winters. Gardens, wherever possible, provided a fresh and diverse array of vegetables. Potatoes, beans, tomatoes, and squash were common staples, adding essential nutrients to their diet. Herbs, such as sage and thyme, enhanced the flavor of their meals while also serving as medicinal remedies. Dairy products, such as milk, butter, and cheese, were prized by pioneers. They provided essential fats, calcium, and protein, adding richness and flavor to their meals. However, the availability of dairy products was often limited, depending on their location and access to livestock. Pioneer meals were often simple and communal. Families gathered around tables, sharing what they had harvested, hunted, or gathered. Despite the limitations of their diet, they found ways to make their meals flavorful and satisfying. The American pioneers' diet was a testament to their resilience, adaptability, and ingenuity. They faced the challenges of a new land with determination, resourcefulness, and a deep appreciation for the simple nourishment they could gather and cultivate. Their culinary legacy lives on in the rich tapestry of American cuisine, a testament to their enduring spirit and the foundation they laid for generations to come. Hope you liked the video. If yes, then like, comment, and share the video, and do subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, goodbye.